Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Stock Market Daily Update. I am Aditya from Mostly Bearish. In yesterday's video, I spoke that one scenario we can have a range bound movement, and if you actually see, pretty much Nifty and Bank Nifty were in a particular range, right? We'll be looking at it on charts, and I'll be also talking about the levels that I'm going to be looking at on Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. But before that, the updates on Telegram, right? Today, there were not many equity shares or any company that was actually coming into the criteria of trading. That is the reason I could not trade any of the equity, but I was scalping the movement on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, let me show you where was the first main trade. So, this is where I had specified that Bank Nifty is being too flat, right? Now, if you see the range here itself, if we take this, it was too flat. Now, my risk was that I wanted to take the short side puts. Basically, I wanted to take puts on the break of this, right? When this candle was forming and the next candle started coming towards the lower side, that is where I had entered the puts. And as and when the prices went down for 25 points is where I had taken an exit also. Now, today, having the understanding of it can be a range bound market, it is not good according to me to hold your options. That too, if you're buying options, either calls or puts, it wasn't right to hold it for way too long. That is why I exited early also. Otherwise, the premium decay, or basically because of time decay, the premium would have fallen anyway. So this was one trade, and the other final trade was when Nifty was at this range, right? My expectation was that if there is a final buying which can come in, that is where I was looking at 14,650 call option, which was trading at 2 rupees 50 paisa, and I had specified that I'm going to be taking this as a complete risk. So 2 rupees 50 paisa was into 75. That was risk per lot, which I had accepted already. Now, the whole intent was that if there is a breakout and the price moved towards 14,650, there was high probability where the risk reward ratio would have been 1:3 to 1:5 as well. Now, that is the reason I entered this trade. But when the prices started coming downwards, somewhere around 1 rupee 5 paisa is where I had taken an exit also. I had specified this mainly because I realized that yes, it is not going to go according to what my analysis was or my direction. That is the reason I cut my risk by half, right? So instead of taking the whole 1 rupee 50 2 rupees 50 paisa, I cut my position at 1 rupee 5 paisa. So almost half, right? So this was a good decision that I made because the call options, that is 11,650 call option, actually expired at 0.505 paisa anyway. Right now, let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow. What actually happened? What are the possibilities? What are the levels that might get tested? We know we are still positive. We ended positive. Let's see what is happening on the 30-minute time frame to understand better. Now, somewhat this was a double bottom formation here. If we see here, this is a double bottom formation, and from there we saw some upside. But there was big resistance at this level, that is 14,600 on spot. There was a big resistance. So today's range was basically 14,500 to 14,600. Now, option sellers on either side of this did make money, but then if we were expecting, like how I was expecting, there might be a breakout here, which did not happen. So people like us would have exited in loss as well. Now, that is fine. That is the nature of market. Every time it cannot just keep giving. So we need to realize and have proper risk management and position sizing to be successful in the long term, right? Now, let's see. If we have a gap up opening, automatically this is the range of test that I'm going to be looking at. If it gets rejected from there, then possibly I'm going to be looking at the downside based on the first half an hour of candle formation, right? Now, from there, the next is if we have a gap down and these levels are broken, probably we might come to test this level again to see if a triple bottom formation is also a possibility, right? Now, it won't be an exact triple bottom because from the double bottom, prices went up but did not break the upside. So if we see this, this is my expectation for tomorrow on Nifty. But if we break down from here, then the next level of test is somewhere around this level I'm going to be looking at. So this is my expectation on Nifty, whereas on Bank Nifty, let's take a look at what is the candle formation on daily time frame. Somewhat a doji again, right? The opening closing is somewhat similar. So on 30 minutes time frame, you might get a better picture. We have a resistance created at this level, right? Now this area is acting as a supply zone. So prices are moving there, but then getting rejected and coming downwards. But if we do draw a line or a trend line like this, somewhat, let's make it better, clearer. Yeah, somewhat like this. If we have a breakdown here, then the possibility of testing this area is a good level to look at. Whereas on the top side, if we see another rejection and then from there coming here and breaking, that will be a good opportunity to get momentum candles. So watch out for that. That is what my expectation is today. If you see, pretty much we have been in a range itself and drawing the range. Yesterday I specified also that it might be a ranging market. So pretty much it was a boring market today for option buyers. Now for option sellers, yes, this is what a good understanding or good criteria is. Like when you're ranging, you sell on either side and you can pocket the premium. So I hope you guys have understood what I look at, how I look at the market. I've given out the analysis, the different scenarios, and what updates also. The updates are on my Telegram channel. The link to that is given in the description below. Make sure you join that if you want to learn with the charts which I provide as well. Thank you so much for watching.